What you working on, Johnny?
Okay, so today, this month, actually this month is only the 19th and I already did 9K. This is pretty good, all organic traffic. Make sure they see it, bro. The last video, I guess they couldn't really see it. They can see it good. I'm gonna go a little closer and move back.
Swipe left and right. So it's definitely real.
Yeah, definitely real, of course, you know. It's your boy, JonnyGlo here. Back with another video on Malik Mufasa channel. This guy's gonna ship back to Ghana soon.
Shoot, I live in 3 days to be exact, man.
I'm not lit today. I'm gonna be a little bit professional. We're gonna break down how to use JARVEE, okay? Everybody been asking me about Instagram, how you getting these automated systems and all that. So I'm gonna give you a little spice, man. Because I could sit here and talk about an hour about this app, like each step. So, but I'm basically just gonna go over the key points that helps you with the targeting, because that's the key. Targeting. All right. So targeting people to follow, targeting people to like, targeting your followers, making sure you're engaged with the people that actually follow you and the people you follow without you actually being there on your phone. So I'm gonna explain a little bit about that, and also I'm gonna give you an update on Instagram algorithm. Not algorithm, but Instagram
is it good news or bad news?
It's bad news. Instagram is basically banning a lot of fake accounts. All right, so some of y'all that be buying fake accounts for y'all about to look like Mace back in 2014, 2015. So if you want to know about how Mace was looking, man, go ahead and you type it up on YouTube, bro. Go ahead and type it up and see what happened, bro. But
it's tragic, man. It's
tragic.
It
is tragic.
Shoot, I think it's a good thing though.
Oh yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing though. So basically, the real is gonna persevere and the fake's gonna fall back. So definitely great. So basically, JARVEE is an automated system that I use that it helps out a lot. It helps out a lot with the targeting and killing time. But don't just rely on this app. Don't just think, oh, I put my shit on here and I'm gonna go crazy.
Yeah, and you're gonna make thousands.
You still gotta go in and do it. Like the stuff that I do on here, I do like myself. But I obviously I'm not on my phone 24/7. So this will just knock down the time and just knock down like specific people I target. Okay, so basically my Shopify store, when I put the competition there, I can put it on there. All that other stuff. But let's go ahead and get on to it. Okay.
All right.
So we're on my app. Yeah, this is my Shopify email. Malik gonna block it out though, so sorry about that, y'all. All right. So here we go. I got 6 accounts on here. So, you know, I got a account 175,000 followers. That's the Anime Academics page. Go ahead and follow that page. Got anime page. With that, you know, we do a little targeting. But let's go to Melo's page, okay? So here you go. Oops. Thing.
And Melo just hit 6K, right?
Yeah, Melo just hit 6,000 followers. Last time we saw him, he was like 5,600.
Okay.
Basically, follow ratio still good. Everything's going good. His engagement's going crazy. So basically, I'm gonna show you the system I have him on. Y'all might be like, damn, what kind of numbers are these? But shit, it works. Yeah. So I'll play around with it and make sure it works before I actually do it. Okay, so. But I kind of reset everything just for y'all, just to check it out. But I'm about to put everything back on there. So basically, the wait time between each likes, here's a delay operation, usually 29 to 41 seconds. But honestly, I do 15 to 30 seconds because I want to knock it out pretty quick, okay? But also, I don't go bizarre. Build your way up, okay? I don't go berserk on this app because, you know, he's on it, I'm on it too, liking pictures, whatever, doing that. So just make sure about that. So let's go down here. I'm not really focused on that we can talk about that later, but let's just focus on the little stuff that lets you that we need to do. Okay, so I was just editing this, but we made this video. So skip non-English users. Okay, so you don't want to follow niggas from Iraq. You don't want to follow people from across. You know, you want to follow English people. Okay, if you're in America, you want to follow English people. If you don't want to follow English people, like you're from whatever, you know,
just do your settings right.
Yeah, do your settings right. Follow users with profile image, okay? That is very good. That's what you need, okay? Profile image. Also, they have all these other options. User that has a follower ratio greater than, so you know you can follow people that don't like to follow people. You can follow people that have bad follow ratios. Yeah, it's all up to you. I keep those unchecked, okay? But I mean, yeah, I just keep those unchecked, okay? But that's just me. That's just me. But if you want to do that, you can do that. Then you can have blacklisted users. And here is the targeting a little bit. But there's a lot of targeting that you can do with this app, okay? So users with bio, username, name must contain one of the following words, okay? So basically anything that's in their username or in their bio section, I add that. So basically,
are these going to be keywords?
Yeah, keywords. So Dallas, Texas, okay? Dallas, Texas. What else? What else would I add? SFA. 17. Well, that's the
maybe
year we
UTA,
graduated, right?
UTA 17.
Yeah, UTA. Always add a comma in between.
Maybe DFW.
It's a separate. So make sure you separate words with commas. You can add a space if you want, but I mean, I just separated with commas, so let's just add a space. So Texas, SFA 17, like Malik said. SFA 17, okay. UTA 17. I want to do UTA because UTA is kind of like a fucking like a community college 3.6. No disrespect. It's a nice ass school though, but I'm just saying. But also brand ambassador, okay. So do brand ambassador because he's a photographer. You gotta do niche research. Okay. Sorry about my spelling, y'all. I suck at spelling, but
models maybe.
Yeah, brand ambassador, models, Nova Babe.
Okay.
Actually, not Nova Babe. We're gonna use that for the hashtags. Nova Babe, models, artists.
Oh yeah.
So artists, freelance model. You know.
Yeah.
I usually do a spell check, y'all, before when I do all this, y'all. So don't mind my spelling. So freelance model, photography. Actually, we're not gonna do photography because we're gonna do that later when we follow the competition. But just anything like that, you know, serious inquiries. Is that how you say it, Malik?
Yeah. I mean, it could go either way. Serious inquiries.
Inquiries.
Yeah,
Okay, serious inquiries.
As long as you get to the point.
Also, there's another thing. I put gmail.com.
Okay.
At yahoo.com.
Yeah, gotta get those business inquiries.
And info at. I just put info at because you know people be having like those little, you know how Shopify is, you have info and all that.
Company profiles.
So and then that's about it. Now I mean you can know I go a little bit more than that. So
yeah.
Also,
like you can put like Ratchet or
no, not Ratchet. Okay. I don't do Ratchet. You gotta do Houston. You know you do Houston, and also I do the hoods in Dallas too. So Oak Cliff, Grove Side. I know a lot of y'all just added. I know Grove Side 6'5".
6'5".
Down. Just I keep going. Brand creator. I just keep going. I keep going.
You come up with ideas.
But then after I switch it all off, because you know I don't want to keep targeting the same exact people because you got to keep switching it off. So every week, every 2 or 3 days, I switch it off. So I do Houston. I do LA. I do LAX. Orange County, and just look for those keywords that people have. Once you follow your niche and do your niche research, you'll figure that out, okay? So
would you say like it would be the most common words that a lot of people have too?
Yeah, in that bar, okay? And then, you know.
That's pretty cool.
Also makeup artists too, but y'all get the point, okay? Yeah. So let's go to sources, okay? So this is everything we have here, okay? So I go down the list, like we go crazy with his list. So this is the greater part about this app because you can add location, okay? So, you know, we got all these clubs. We got Uptown Dallas where everybody, the most tagged. So when you go to locations, you can go to the most tagged places in your city. So Uptown Dallas, Malik, if you're from Texas, you know about Uptown Dallas. That's where everybody our age go to. We go to the club, we pull some girls, all that, okay? Yeah. So we go to Uptown McKinney Avenue.
Lit.
Uptown Yoga, Dallas. I just add stuff there because that's where a lot of people actually be posted up there. Kung Fu Saloon, Club Level, Stars and Spears, Downtown Dallas Inc., Historic Downtown Dallas Inc.
Oh,
but people take the model. Well, a lot of models go and take pictures at Animal Planet, Dallas Mavericks. Okay, the stadium, Dallas World Aquarium,
Cowboy Stadium.
Yeah, Cowboy Stadium. SMU, North Texas. That it keeps going down. Club Ecstasy. I think I have Ecstasy on here. Where is it at? Yeah, Ecstasy Cabaret, the strip club. Bro. I put strip clubs there because people after the club, you know, that's where his age group is at, bro.
Yep.
Like, our age group is at, bro. So you know,
I know strippers. They want photos too.
Yeah, strippers want photos too, and you know, like I saw y'all the other day when on an automated system, y'all saw how everybody starts replying back with the big following. So what all the models, bottle girls, whatever be at, that's good. So I do this also to connect with them to get the bigger accounts to follow because a lot of big people out here, a lot of big accounts be at these places. Okay, but let me show you how to add it. Okay, so basically you can type it in. So I type mine in. So I type in Dallas. Dallas Fort Worth Airport. That's a perfect spot because everybody that's going there. So Dallas Fort Worth Airport, Dallas, Texas. I just keep going down the list, and you can go to whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. With me, just if this was me, for example, like I switch it off to Euless, Texas, to Arlington, Texas, and all that. You just gotta go. I know my city so well. That's why he was able to capitalize in his city so very well to execute.
And that's how he's getting his clients, right? You're not targeting
I'm not
LA
targeting
or
fucking LA, and I know, but I do that a little bit later down the line because the audience always gets taxed. Okay, so I can't use the same locations all the time. So I gotta use a different club. I gotta use a different club. I gotta go all different places. Downtown Fort Worth. Yeah. Texas is a big place to execute. A lot of money is made in Texas. So basically, if you're in Texas, it's so easy to grow a big following if you know how to do these things. So.
Facts.
So we looking good, Malik?
Yeah, we looking good. Okay, value bombs. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you smash that like button. Okay, man. Smash the like button. I check these like posts of users that interacted with posts of target accounts, and I do 10. And I think let's go up real quick just to make sure. So make sure y'all check like using geolocations. Put it at 20. You can go a little bit higher. Like latest feed post, so you can like the latest post of that locations. Like post of followers. I have this on 972, and this is really good because with this, when I go on his Instagram and I know that it's working, I know I didn't like this picture. I know for sure he didn't like this picture. Yeah. So I know it's working and it's not getting banned because I'm still able to like pictures and he's still able to like pictures. So it's going very smooth. Okay. So basically, how would you check that? You just go to the likes on
just check your recent activity. Okay, that's all I really do. So that's mainly AT&T Stadium. I need to add AT&T Stadium there because shit, that's where everybody be booming at, right? The booming spots, right? Yeah, but also niche research, alright. So. And another way, if y'all get a little confused, you can also go on Instagram on your browser and copy and paste the location down below. Okay, but this is very
that's
useful.
Really diverse right there.
Yeah. So, and then also I check like posts of users interacted with posts on targets accounts. Okay, so basically, I would add Instagram. Well, this is very iffy because you got to add people with real followings. Okay, so. No offense, like he has competition photographers on there, but they got a lot of fake followers, so I can't put them on there, so I have to scratch all them out. Okay. So, like I said, I put smaller accounts on there. Yeah. So beginning, I put my account on there. The people I follow, we went to the same school. Yeah. We ain't talking to the same people, but we went to the same school. Then I took it off. Then I add different people on there, and I built a following of small accounts. Okay, so I took it all off. I'm about to add some more accounts later today, but basically we add a whole page of real followers of people of small accounts, and I go bigger and bigger like I said in the past video. Okay. So basically I would add, if I wanted to add Malik Mufasa, don't put the @ name, you just have to put Malik Mufasa. But that's not his audience, but I'm just showing you an example because Malik is in the Shopify niche, he's in the photography niche. Yeah, he's two different niches. So but Basically, I would add that, and when you add the username, all you do is click add, and then bam, it adds below. So like post, and then also another thing you can be able to do is you can check like posts and use that interactive with the post. So that's very good. So let's just say Malik in your niche. Gary V posted something. I wouldn't do this, but if Gary V posted something, you can copy and paste that post and then put it right here. So this was very helpful with my Shopify store because my competition, they actually beat me and they did a World Star shout out. Not World Star, was it Shade Room? Yeah, it was Shade Room. That shout out. Oh yeah. They made a killing that day. They beat me at that time. But you know what I did? I put that post on there and everybody engaged on that content because that was very specific. Yeah. Shade Room was very targeted, black niche. So basically I targeted there and engaged with the likes and the comments and everything. I had that shit automated so I can target that post. And that's how you still competition, you built that following, you built this, you built that, So yeah, that's. Am I saying it pretty good? I'm explaining pretty well because I know it's a lot to take in. So it's a lot to take in, and that's just a little bit of what I do on his stuff. Okay, so Yeah.
I mean, so that's basically the rundown on what you should do.
Yeah.
To grow your Instagram.
Yeah.
Right. Those are the main functions.
The main functions, the likes, and then the follows. Also, like I said, you go to follow. I go to sources, and the same exact thing. See, we got follow suggested users, so that's why even if other people, like the competition are using this app, like I said, once he builds his following, he pops up in the suggested users. Okay. And then the same, and it goes around with everything. Like, so because I'm on the follow section right now, it goes along. You can follow targeted accounts. Okay, so in his niche, not the top photographers, but the top. I'll go to like the top clout people in Dallas that have the most organic following. People that. You know what I mean, Malik.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to say
people that just don't buy followers.
Yeah.
You know
So
what I mean?
I gotta do that because I made a mistake at one time and adding a certain photographer today. I'm not gonna say his name. I don't really care, but and it was following all about a bunch of people with different languages and all that, and that kind of messes it up because with this. You built the look because I'm building up for that lookalike audience. Imagine this is your Shopify store. You're liking other people's account. They're liking your stuff back. They're engaging with your content. All that data adds up, especially since his profile is a business profile. All that data adds up, and then you can follow by username, keywords, followed by hashtags. Okay? So I put Nova Babe because everybody wants to be a Fashion Nova model.
Yeah.
Nova Babe, brand ambassador, Dallas model. Club life, just all types of stuff I do on here. Let's go to Anime Academics, our page that has a whole lot of followers. Okay, so 175,000, right?
Yeah.
Which we don't even know what we're gonna do with this page at this moment. Basically, we plan on probably turning it into a social media agency because there's so much you can do with an anime page. It's fun, when it's just popping, Attack on Titan's going crazy, Dragon Ball Z going crazy, but at this page, we grew this page the same exact way. We stole people that was fans of Dragon Ball Z, and we put it in this app, and boom, that's it. Be careful with that. You can, and that's another thing. That's why a lot of people say when you're on this app, don't do nothing at all. That's why I kind of did I tell y'all that this app only works when you leave your computer on.
Yeah.
You can also buy another virtual machine, whatever, and leave your computer on all day. But I usually use this at nighttime because that's when we're asleep. And then when he goes to work, I go to work and I do my thing, whatever. So while we go out or whatever, I have it on. But when I'm on the phone or I'm at home at the crib, I just turn it off because I'm going to do some of the work myself, okay? If I leave home and my laptop turns off, I can tell if I go home and turns off, I can do some of the work myself. And every day I put in a little work. I make sure I have the targeted accounts. I do a little niche research. Oh, this nigga popping right now. We add him to the targeting.
Yeah.
So basically, so this is just a helper to knock down time. So you kind of got to go in and do some of the work yourself, okay? Don't fucking rely on this app just to magically increase your following rate. Okay, with girls, it's a bit easier. They can probably just target a whole lot of dudes, get a follow back so quick, like that. But with us dudes, we gotta kind of put in a little bit more work. Make sure we target, especially if you have a talent and you need your talent to be seen. And basically, I love about this app also is when he posts a fire ass picture, I go crazy on the likes because people will come back and see his profile, and then that's how you get on the explore page.
Okay. That's lit. Okay, appreciate you talking about JARVEE, man. I feel like a lot of people are gonna try to tap into this app. They're gonna try to take advantage of this app. So appreciate it. If you guys want to actually sign up, there will be a link down below that you guys can sign up for JARVEE. And
also this app is $18.99 a month. Okay, but it's an investment. Like $18.99 a month. Plug it to your Shopify store. Have this automated. You'll make your money back. So
it's worth it.